Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel or return a Costco.com order. So first of all, simply come here on Costco.com. Then you need to log in into your account. Now over here, click on the option of orders and returns. And when you are here, you need to simply find the order that you want to cancel. Now you just have to simply select the item, and as soon as you select the item, you are going to see this type of cancel order option in the bottom right hand corner. So you need to simply just click on it, then choose your reason and confirm the cancellation. Now the option is only available while the order is still eligible for the cancellation. So you may not see it for certain products or once the processing has progressed. Now for the eligible items, you can no longer cancel. You can request a return or the replacement instead. So you need to again open this particular section, and over here you need to find the order and look for the option of return or replace the item. Choose your reason, follow the prompts, and Costco is going to provide you a return label, or it is going to arrange a pickup when the item qualifies for the pickup services. Now you won't charged for the return shipping on the eligible Costco.com returns. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.